నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరైనా సరే కొంతమంది మిత్రులు థర్మల్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్ పెట్టాలి అని అనుకుంటున్నారా? థర్మల్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్ అంటే చాలా ఖర్చుతో కూడుకున్నటువంటిది, అంతే కదా. సో ఇక్కడ థర్మల్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్స్ వచ్చేసరికి నేషనల్ థర్మల్ పవర్ కార్పొరేషన్ అనేది ఎన్టీపీసీ అనేది కూడా ఉంది, తెలుసా మిత్రులారా? ఎన్టీపీసీ అంటే నేషనల్ థర్మల్ పవర్ కార్పొరేషన్. సో ఇది గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా అనేది ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఎన్టీపీసీ అనే సంస్థని మన ఇండియన్ గవర్నమెంట్ అనేది ఆపరేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ పబ్లిక్ సెక్టార్ కంపెనీ. సో మనకు పబ్లిక్ సెక్టార్ కంపెనీ అంటే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ మీన్ బై పబ్లిక్ సెక్టార్ కంపెనీ? సో మోర్ దాన్ 50% ఆఫ్ ద షేర్స్ ఆర్ బీన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద సైడ్ ఆఫ్ గవర్నమెంట్ and less than 50% of shares are from the public or other private investors. Such a kind of company is nothing but a public sector company. It is almost, we can say it is not a government, it's a public sector in the sense undertaking of the government company. So that is also it will be unnecessary thing, not unnecessary, it should be known to everyone. So if you want to put a thermal power plant, you have to check some considerations. So what are the considerations you have to check while you wanted to put a thermal power plant, or while a thermal power plant is being? So not only if any government is going to put a thermal power plant, or by yourself, or some, who knows whose talent, ante kada. So it's right or not, who knows whose talent? Okay, some of the fine day, if we are hard working towards a goal, definitely we can reach. So if you have such a type of intention, yes, you work towards those goals, one of the fine day will come. So some of the problems will attack to you while you are working towards your goal in a hard work. You have to come little bit away from it, and after then again you have to enter into your goal mode, and you have to reach your goal, and finally destination has to be reached. So that is just a small motivation. So everyone no need to see more and more motivation. You should have the self motivation first of all. That is a basic thing. Okay. So if you wanted to put a thermal power station, first of all you have to check the where to put the thermal power station. If I am putting a thermal power station here, is it, say, yes, I can put a thermal power station here. Then what are the thing? What are the requirements? Input of the thermal power station, major input or the fuel is nothing but a coal. Is it available here? No. I have to get from some other places. The transportation system is being. So whenever you are putting a thermal power plant, you have to put the thermal power station at where the coal is available. That is nothing but where the coal is available is nothing but a pit head. You have to put the thermal stations near the pit head. And what are the second thing you have to require is water. So you have to see the area where the draft cone area should not be selected while you are putting your thermal power station. You have to check the area where about the ample amount of water is available or not. You have to check that consideration. So you have to put near to the coal mines, and you have to check one more thing is availability of water. So raw material and availability of water. And one more thing you have to think is it near to the load center? That in the sense, is it near to the village, or is it near to the utilization endpoint? It may be the utilization, maybe we have different types of utilization people or utilization customers. You know, that is municipal loads is one of the utilization, and one more thing is municipal loads and agriculture loads, domestic loads, industrial loads. Okay, such a way we have different types of loads. That loads are nothing but the end users or the customers of power generating companies. that may be the Discom or the Transco. Big industries are the direct consumers for the Transco, and small industries are the consumers for the distribution companies. So in a thermal power station, you have to think one thing, that is if you put a thermal power station at any point, so you have to check the availability of water. So availability of water, in the sense, why water is required? Water is required for the boiler to get the steam. Water is required in the condenser. There will be a condenser in a thermal power station. That condensers, basically the condensers will, one more point you have to remember, that is the most of the losses are taken place at the condenser itself. The most of the losses, the efficiency of the thermal power station is about 28 to 29%. Modern thermal power station is more efficient. Okay, and also you will have some ash, I had said. So the ash, the continuity water is being sprayed on the ash because it will not go fly away from the place. So there also water is necessary. And why water is necessary in a thermal power plants? Peene ke pani, for the purpose of drinking water for the employees who are they are working in the thermal power station, and some of the drinking water is being useful. Such a way, the thermal power station, the water availability is being needed. And also land is very important. So you have to, if you are constructing a thermal power plant, you have to consider the staff and their quarters, staff quarters, and you should have a land for coal storage, and you should have a land for ash deposital, I had said in the past, and water storage purpose. And also main thing is the people are going to be increased day by day. The birth rate is going to be increased in our India, and we will be beating the China. So in the future, the need of the electricity to the people is also going to be increased. Then they should be ready to expand. That is a future expansion of your thermal power station. You should be ready for it. So whenever you are choosing a land, the land should not be the rocky area. Okay, so that should be thing, and the economical cost should be it should be economical, the cost of the land, and the thermal power station whichever you are putting should be away from the people, because the most of the things of the people will obstruct, because that is of that's pollution, that's all. Okay, and thermal power station is restricted away from the airports. Do you know the thermal power station will have a long chimney, so that the flights which are taking or in the airports, so that the purpose. And also even the transmission towers are restricted away from the airports from past 15 kilometers around radially. Okay, takeoff of aeroplanes during that. So availability of labor should be there wherever you are putting the thermal power station. It's a very important. Without the labor, you cannot do anything in this universe. Labor is a person who is basic building block of any building is a labor. Okay, it's a very important. And one more thing is there should be a chance of future expansion. That's a very important. So putting a thermal power station with small thing is not a thing. You can put and you can utilize. But whenever to be an entrepreneur, so you should be having the forecasting of your load and the future expansion also you have to think when you are an entrepreneur. Okay, so thank you for seeing this. This video is being useful for some of the entrepreneurs who are willing to put a thermal power station. Not only the thermal power station, these points are related to put any of a small industry also. So this is basic information, or it's not a basic information, it's just a basic sense. It's just a basic sense points here. It's not much more about it. Whenever you are doing some work, there should be some plan. In the same manner, whenever you are putting a thermal power station, there should be some basic idea or the minimum common sense. That is what we are discussing. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe me and support me. And I will be giving some more information about the thermal power plants, hydropower plants, substations, some other etc. All these are all theory topics, and I will come with the problematics. Okay. So whichever the important formulas and problematics I will be coming with in those sections, only the theory sections you can watch me. But during the problematic sections and during the formula sections, you have to watch the book. I will keep my that is camera or video camera. It's not a video camera or camera, it's a cell phone. I'll put it and I'll be doing about those things. Okay. I hope that you are all supporting me and supporting in such a manner, and I will be also doing in not such a manner, in this manner. Okay. Thank you. Signing out. Bye.